Imagine never needing to own a printer again. Never having to worry about your printing breaking down when you need it most. And all this with our low-cost Cartridge World cost per page. I guess you could compare it to never having to buy or own a car, never needing to worry about repair, and gas being cheaper than at the gas station. At Cartridge World, our aim is to make printing simple, convenient, and hassle-free, which is why we developed the unique no-cost printer program, where we provide a printer, cartridges, full maintenance, and even free delivery to our customers. To qualify for this amazing deal, which is exclusive to Cartridge World, all we ask is that you agree to purchase your ongoing toner cartridges from us. The no-cost printer program is simple. Contact us or one of our locally operated stores and say you would like to join our no-cost printer program. Our professional staff will then ask you some simple questions to help them get an understanding of the features and functions you'll require from our printing device. For example, black and white or color printing, pages per minute, Wi-Fi, copy and scanning, etc. Sounds too good to be true? At Cartridge World, we want to make your life easy so you can focus on your success. If you're not satisfied with your device or wish to upgrade, let us know, and we'll be happy to help. Contact Cartridge World today.